Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to add a SharePoint folder to Quick Access. I'll show you this on Windows. First, open your web browser and navigate to the SharePoint site that contains the folder you want to add. Make sure you're signed in with your Microsoft 365 work account. Once the site loads, click on Documents in the left navigation pane or navigate to whichever folder or library you want to access quickly. Now, at the top of the page, look for a button that says Add Shortcut to OneDrive. It should be in the command bar. If you don't see it right away, check the three-dot overflow menu. Click on that button. You'll get a quick confirmation message saying the shortcut was added. Give it a few seconds for the OneDrive sync client to process the shortcut. You can check the OneDrive icon in your system tray at the bottom right of your screen if you want to see the sync status. Next, open File Explorer. You can do this by pressing Windows key plus E or just click the File Explorer icon in your taskbar. Once that opens, look at the navigation pane on the left side. Find the section called OneDrive, with your organization name after it. Click to expand that section. You should now see the SharePoint folder you just added. It'll have a small shortcut arrow on the icon. The folder might appear directly under your OneDrive section, or it could be in a subfolder called Shared Libraries. Depends on how your organization has things set up. Right-click on that SharePoint folder. A context menu will pop up. From that menu, click Pin to Quick Access. The folder will immediately show up in the Quick Access section at the very top of File Explorer's navigation pane. A couple of quick things to note by default: the files in this folder will be cloud only, meaning they don't take up space on your hard drive until you open them. If you need a file or folder to always be available offline, just right-click it and select Always Keep on this device. Also, keep in mind that folders pinned to Quick Access in Windows File Explorer are separate from SharePoint's web-based Pin to Quick Access feature. They don't sync between the two interfaces. And if you ever want to unpin the folder from Quick Access, just right-click it in that section and choose Unpin from Quick Access. Hope this helped. If it did, a like and a subscribe would be appreciated. See you next time.